In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compress PDF in DocHub. By the end, you'll know exactly how to shrink a PDF's file size while keeping it readable and easy to share. First, open your browser and head to docube.com, then sign into your account. Any modern browser will work, and a stable internet connection helps the process run smoothly. If you have multiple workspaces or accounts, make sure you're in the one where you want the compressed file to live. Once you're signed in, you'll land in your dashboard where you can see your recent documents and tools. Next, upload or open the PDF you want to compress. If it's already in your DocHub account, simply open it from your list of documents. If it's not there yet, upload it from your computer. You can drag and drop the file into the interface or use the upload button and navigate to the file. If you already use connected cloud storage, you can select the file from there as well. It's a good idea to keep an original copy untouched, so consider noting the original file's name or size before moving on. Now use DocHub's Compress PDF function. Look toward the top toolbar or the editor's main menu for an option labeled Compress PDF. Depending on the interface, it may also appear as Reduce PDF Size or Optimize PDF. Click that option to start the compression process. If DocHub presents compression levels or quality options, choose the one that matches your needs. Balanced or default settings usually work well for everyday use. If your PDF is image heavy and you need a much smaller file, a higher compression setting may help, but keep in mind it can reduce image clarity. If there's a preview, use it to confirm that text remains sharp and images are acceptable. Then apply the compression and wait a moment while DocHub processes the file. Finally, save or download your compressed PDF. Select Export or Download and choose where you want the file to go, your device or a connected cloud service. Renaming the file with something like compressed makes it easy to distinguish from the original. After saving, you can quickly check the file size on your device to confirm the reduction. That's all there is to it. You've successfully compressed a PDF in DocHub, making it faster to upload, email, or share without sacrificing essential quality.